Chapter 4. Sound of vowel E. When vowel E comes between two consonants, it has the sound of E as in hen. Read the words aloud and note their sounds. Red, bell, bed, keg, hen, pen. Phonic drill: Dane, fed, wed, neck, lead, let, keg, well, get, leg, beg, fell, beg, set, bet, bell. Bumblebee: a big black bumblebee flew out from a tree. Found a flower, found a flower. I have found a flower, said he. Bus, 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 bis. He came and sat on me. I'm no flower, I'm no flower. Can't you see, Mr. Bee?